I'm Matt Stone. I'm the executive chef at Oak Ridge Winery in the Yarra Valley. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare steamed egg custard, fragrant herbs from the garden with a bone broth. The really interesting technique here is the steamed egg custard. And it's a really simple mixture of beautiful free-range eggs mixed with a little bit of milk, a little bit of seasoning, and just steamed in the oven. So by using the Miele steam oven, we can control the temperature, control the time, and what it does, it gives us a really lovely, silky, sort of tofu-y kind of texture that's really hard to achieve in any other kind of cooking method. To serve the dish, we're just going to gently spoon in a couple of teaspoons of the egg custard. From there, we're going to start arranging some different herbs and flowers from the garden. It can be whatever you have growing, whatever you've found in the wild, whatever you've seen at the farmer's market. It's really up to you. From there, take the boiling hot broth, gently pour it into the side of the bowl and serve immediately.